Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Let's get started. So I've already done my brows off camera. I'm going to be going in with the PLOUISE base in shade 3, and I'm applying that all over my lid. This is going to serve as a base for my eyeshadow today. Now I'm going to grab my Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm going to be using that dark blue shade, and I'm just going to begin tapping that into my crease. You want to be very intentional on where you're placing your shadows because it's going to make it easier to blend out later. Next, I'm going to be using my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I'm using that dark purple shade, and I'm going directly on top of the blue shade that we just applied. Now that I have that purple shade where I want it, I'm going to just begin dragging it to the inner corner of my eye. I'm just creating shape here. I'm creating the shape that I overall want, and I'm trying not to drag that purple shade too high up into my eyebrow. Now I'm noticing that I'm going too far up with that purple shade, so I'm just going to go in with some translucent powder just to tone everything down and blend it out. Okay, in these next steps, what you're going to see me doing is going back and forth between the purple and the blue. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want it to be a gradual build up into the color that I want. I don't want to apply too much of one color at one time because that will lead to issues with blending out. So I'm applying the purple and then I'm going back with the blue right on top of that until both of the colors are as intense as I want them. Now that I'm pretty satisfied with both colors, I'm ready to cut my crease. I'm going to be taking a flat brush with PLOUISE's base on there, and I'm just using tapping motions to cut my crease. If you guys want a slowed down, detailed cut crease video, leave a comment down below and I can get that to you guys. Now that I have cut my crease, I'm going back in with that blue shade and I'm just dragging it inwards to fade it out and get ready for the next shadow that I'm going to apply. Now I'm going in with the shade Trance for my Morphe 3503 palette, and I'm placing that directly over where I placed the base. After I have placed that shade, I'm going back a little bit more with the blue just to fade everything out. You kind of want it to have like an ombre effect. And finally, I'm applying liner and lashes. Somebody asked me in my last video what lashes I was wearing, and the reason I didn't tag them below is because they're unreleased from my brand that was supposed to release this spring. And due to coronavirus and everything going on with that, I have pushed my launch date back, and I'm gonna keep pushing it back because I don't want to take any chances with that, but I will keep you guys updated. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video in peace without me talking. I feel like the rest of the steps are pretty redundant. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.